All right, tell whether line AB is tangent to circle C. So we want to know whether line AB is tangent if it's touching that circle in one place. It might appear that it is, but we have to know for sure. So here's the deal. If it is tangent, I forgot I have a wrist guard now on this app. If it is tangent, I would write this down, yeah. So if it is tangent, then AB is going to be perpendicular to AC. So the question is, how can we figure out whether AB is perpendicular to AC? Well, let me ask you this first. Perpendicular lines form what, ladies and gentlemen? 90-degree right angles. How can we figure out whether this angle is a right angle or not? If we use Pythagorean theorem, I don't know why you think it's a bad thing to have the right answer. Okay. If we use Pythagorean theorem and these values of that triangle satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, then this has to be a right triangle. We did this 2 units ago with our right triangle unit. So, what we are trying to figure out is this. Is 5 squared plus 12 squared equal to 13 squared? Notice I have that question mark above my equal sign because I, at this point, don't know if that's a true statement. Now, where did I get 13 from?
8 plus 5.
All right, make sure that you add both of those together. 5 is the radius of the circle, then 8 is from the outside of the circle to point B. At this point, we can, some of us know a few Pythagorean triples. You might be able to identify that. If not, let's multiply this out. So this would be 25 plus 144. Does that equal 169?
Yes.
Yes, it sure does. So what does that mean?
AB is tangent to circles.
That means that AB is tangent to circle C. Thank you for saying that oh so nicely. I'm moving on. All right, number 3, use the diagram to answer the questions. Notice that your 2 circles are placed on a coordinate grid. We are going to use ordered pairs in the coordinate grid to answer the following questions. So, the first one, what are the center and the radius of circle A? So here's circle A. We name circles by its center point. So when it says what is the center, I'm talking about what are the coordinates of the center. Okay. Taylor? 3, 2 is the center of circle A. Make sure that you are writing ordered pairs correctly. There's a comma in the middle. There are parentheses on the outside. And what is the radius of that circle? Brittany?
2.
The radius of that circle is 2, from the center to a point on the circle. Take a moment for yourself to do the next question. So what are the center, but this time what is the diameter of circle B? Artem, what is the center of circle B? 7, 2. And what is the diameter? 4. Good. All right, describe the intersection of the circles. So we're looking first at the point where they intersect, which I would say that this is the point where the circles intersect. So what is that intersection point? 5, 2. And then finally, describe all common tangents of the two circles. So here's where we need to think about the two types of common tangents that we have. We have common internal tangents and we have common external tangents. So the first thing that I want to know is, where are the common tangents? Nolan, where's one of them?
There's a common external tangent on the x-axis.
Very good. There's a common external tangent along the x-axis. So when we go to describe one of the common tangents, we could say the x-axis is one of them. Where's another common tangent for these two circles?
There's an internal tangent on the 5 going up.
Okay, so there's a common internal tangent for the vertical line going through 5. What's the equation of that line? Nope. X equals 5. And there's one more. There's one more. Mark?
Common external on y equals 4.
Very good. Common external tangent at y equals 4. Very good. Okay. All right, last thing here. It is telling us that lines A, B, and AD are tangent to the circle. Find the value of x. The thing that you need to know about this is that if AB and AD are tangent, which we're told they are, then their measures are equal. Then the length of AB is equal to the length of AD. So if these two are tangent, bless you. If these two are tangent, their measures are equal. So really all we need to do to find the value of x is to set their expressions equal to one another and solve. Six x minus 3 equals 5x plus 7. Get all of your x's to one side, all of your constants to the other. On the second example, same type of thing. We're told that AB and AD are tangent, which means their measures are equal. Have a little bit more of a challenge here with the algebra. So think back, this is why I gave you those warm-up questions. We want to add the 1. So x squared equals 25. So what does x equal?
Plus or minus.
Plus or minus 5. Plus or minus 5. Very good.